This is my September latest in beauty box. Stay tuned and we'll have a good dig through to see what my choices are this month. Hi there guys and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. Today's video I have an unboxing for you and it is this. This is my latest in beauty box and this is the September box. Little bit late this month. I was really struggling with my choices this month, but finally managed to make them before the month ends. But yeah, let's get it open and have a sneak peek. So if you are interested in getting this box for yourself, it's £14.95 and then it's £3.95 postage. So you pay the postage for the first 3 months. After that, it does become free, which is great. Basically, you just pick 6 items from what they have available, which is quite cool. It just makes it a little bit different to other boxes out there. But right, let me move everything to the top so we can have a proper sneaky peek. There we go. That is a quick sneak peek for you. But if you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload a video. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Right, so let's dig in. The first item I have chosen is this. So this is by the brand Pony Secret. I think that is the brand. Oh no, it's not. It's Pony Revolution, sorry. And it's called Pony Secret. And it says the secret to your dream ponytail. So they have these on at the moment, and they have a variation of colours. I got the brown one, although I didn't think, because obviously I've now dyed my hair blonde. But they do have a blonde version. They have the brunette version, and I'm sure they have a black one too. There's a few colours on there in any way. I think this will still work for me, because obviously I've still got the dark root. But this is what it looks like. And basically you put your hair in your ponytail. Or when you're putting your ponytail in, you put that in the centre of your ponytail. Then put your bobble around and then your hair will sit around it and it'll make your ponytail look bigger and more voluptuous, I think. But I really like the sound of it. Obviously, that's why I've picked it. So yeah, really happy and excited to try this out to see the difference that it can make. Second item I've chosen is this. So this is by the brand Save Skincare and it is a clean pore replenishing mask. So you get 4 actually, which I think is quite cool. So yeah, I'll have to try this out. It just says this face mask helps to absorb excess oil without stripping the skin while calming it and reducing the risk of breakouts caused by blocked pores. It gently helps to eliminate impurities and balances sebum production, as well as helps repair free radical damage. So yeah, sounds good. Sounds like your skin will get a good hydration boost as well. So yeah, love a good face mask. Let's just hope this is good. Next lot of products I've chosen are all from the same brand. So we'll go with the biggest one first, and it is this. So the brand is called Wonder Skin and this is Wonder Blading Lip Colour, and it is liquid blading technology, peel and reveal, perfect for all day lip colour. So I'm sure I've seen this like everywhere. You pop it on, it goes on a weird colour, is it like blue or something, and then you peel it off and it's like a pinky colour or whatever colour this is, or that colour. Oh wow, oh my god, that is bright red. Hopefully it's not that bright. It's called Glamorous. You get this little material thing. We get, what is that? You get the actual lip mask. And then that is the activator. I think I've seen people like spray that on and then you peel it off. Something like that. But yeah, I'll have to do a little video on it. What I'll probably do a short on it. Again, I'll probably do a short video with that as well. So make sure to hit that subscribe button to keep your eyes peeled for that. I'm going to try and do more short videos if I can as well, just on quick little reviews. But yeah, looks kind of cool. So again, the next one by the same brand is this. This is Wonderbladen Lip Gloss. So yeah, I thought I would stick with the theme. Why not? I can just open that up. I'm loving the packaging. Very, very nice packaging. And yeah, you've got your typical Dofa there. I'm not going to swipe it on anywhere. I will save it for the little short video review that I'll do. Fifth item I have got is this. This is the Powerful Mascara. It lengthens and volumes, and apparently it curls as well. So it's a full size. I think it's 10 mils. Oh yeah, I like that packaging too. That's really cool. But what does the brush look like? It looks good. It looks good. It looks so good. So it's like little plastic spikes. I think I'm gonna like that. Yeah, I cannot wait. I'm so excited to try that out. Sixth and final item we have is this. Love this shiny packaging. And this is the Wonderbladen lip scrub. Okay, so yeah, I got the little set, a lip scrub, the lip mask thing that you peel off and reveals the colour, and then the gloss. But yeah, this is the scrub. Plain, simple packaging, and it just looks like a lip crayon, to be honest. Oh yeah, you can feel that. Yeah, oh, I'm excited to use that. That's cool. That does feel exfoliating. Yeah, this is my September latest in beauty box. What do you think? So I am really happy with my choices. As I say, I found it rather difficult choosing this month. So every month I'm due on the 11th to choose my box, and as you can see by the date, it's later on in the month. I saw a few bits that I liked here and there. I really wanted to get the teeth whitening powder. I really wanted to get that, but I couldn't really see anything else that I wanted to add in the box to make up the 6 products. Then when some of the products came in, I thought, oh, I like that, let's put them in together. The powder had gone and something else that I liked had gone, and blah blah blah. But then they uploaded the products by Wonderskin, and I remember seeing them all over TikTok, all over YouTube, people putting it on and peeling it off, and you've got the lip colour. So I thought, okay, let's just get the whole set of that and see what it's all about. I've never seen anybody mention the mascara, so again, really interested in trying that out. I want to see what that pony thing looks like in my hair, the ponytail thing, and yeah, always interested in a face mask. But yeah, definitely gets a thumbs up, but as I say, it was definitely a struggle this month choosing my products. Hopefully next month it's going to be a bit easier, fingers crossed. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.